Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of mascaras to find out which ones truly deliver that voluminous, dramatic lash look. If you've ever struggled with finding the perfect mascara for adding volume, stay tuned as we review 5 top contenders. Whether you're prepping for a night out or just want that extra oomph for your everyday look, we've got you covered. Let's find the best mascara for volume that suits your needs. Kicking off our list at number 1, Maybelline Sky High. The Maybelline Sky High mascara has taken the beauty world by storm with its promises of sky-high volume and length. This mascara features a flexible brush that allows for easy application while delivering impressive results. It is known for its buildable formula, which helps achieve that dramatic, voluminous look without clumping. Key features. One of the standout features of the Maybelline Sky High mascara is its unique flex tower brush. This brush bends to reach every lash, from root to tip, ensuring even application and optimal lift. Additionally, its liquid formula is infused with bamboo extract and fibers to strengthen and lengthen lashes. Benefits and usage. This mascara excels in providing a voluminous effect that lasts throughout the day. The buildable formula means you can layer it for a more dramatic look without the worry of flakes or smudging. Ideal for both everyday wear and special occasions, it is also suitable for sensitive eyes. Usability. The Maybelline Sky High mascara is easy to apply, thanks to its flexible brush that adapts to the natural curve of your lashes. The liquid formula glides smoothly without creating clumps, and it separates lashes beautifully. Durability. In terms of durability, this mascara performs well under various conditions. It holds up through long days and is resistant to smudging, although it may require some touch-ups if you have oily skin or watery eyes. In the second spot, we have Lancôme Hypnôse Drama. Lancôme Hypnôse Drama Mascara is a high-performance product known for delivering intense volume and dramatic lash impact. This mascara is designed to create a bold, high-volume look with its innovative brush and rich, creamy formula. Key features. The Lancôme Hypnôse Drama Mascara features a S-shaped brush that deposits a generous amount of mascara with each stroke. The formula is enriched with vitamin B5 and nylon fibers that provide both volume and conditioning benefits to the lashes. Benefits and usage. This mascara is perfect for achieving a high-impact, voluminous look. The formula is buildable, allowing you to layer it for a more intense effect without clumping. It is also gentle on the lashes and eyes, making it suitable for contact lens wearers. Usability. The S-shaped brush is designed for ease of use, as it contours to the shape of the eye and ensures full coverage. The creamy texture of the formula helps in smoothly coating each lash, adding both length and volume. Durability. Lancôme Hypnôse Drama is known for its lasting power. It maintains its volume and does not flake throughout the day. However, it is advisable to use a makeup remover designed for waterproof formulas to ensure complete removal. Coming in at number 3 is the L'Oréal Lash Paradise. L'Oréal Lash Paradise Mascara has become a favorite among mascara enthusiasts for its ability to deliver lush, full lashes. With its voluminous formula and plush brush, this mascara aims to provide the ultimate in both volume and length. Key features. The L'Oréal Lash Paradise Mascara boasts a soft, fluffy brush that captures and coats every lash with precision. Its formula is enriched with rose oil, which helps to condition and soften the lashes while adding volume. Benefits and usage. This mascara is ideal for those looking for a dramatic, voluminous effect. It is designed to be buildable, allowing for customizable intensity. The formula is also designed to be long-wearing, making it a great choice for all-day use. Usability. The Lash Paradise Mascara is easy to apply, thanks to its large, soft brush. The formula glides on smoothly and separates lashes beautifully, preventing clumping and providing an even coat. Durability. In terms of durability, L'Oréal Lash Paradise stands out for its resistance to flaking and smudging. It holds up well throughout the day and is suitable for various activities, though a gentle eye makeup remover is recommended for removal. Taking our 4th spot is BADgal. Benefit: BADgal Bang. Mascara is renowned for its ability to create colossal volume and lift. Its innovative formula and brush design promise to deliver bold, dramatic lashes with just a few swipes. Key features: this mascara features a custom, slim-packed brush that is designed to reach every lash, from corner to corner. The formula contains aero particles, which are among the lightest materials known, to provide buildable volume without weighing down the lashes. Benefits and usage: the BADgal Bang mascara is known for its intense volumizing effect, making it perfect for those who want to make a statement with their lashes. The buildable formula allows you to achieve a range of looks, from natural to full-on glam. Usability: the slim-packed brush ensures that every lash is coated evenly, making application a breeze. The lightweight formula prevents clumping and provides a smooth, even finish. Durability: Benefit: BADgal Bang is praised for its longevity. It remains intact throughout the day, with minimal smudging or flaking. It is also resistant to sweat and humidity, making it a reliable choice for various environments. And finally, at number 5, we have Urban Decay Perversion. Urban Decay Perversion Mascara is celebrated for its ability to provide extreme volume and a bold, black finish. This mascara is designed to deliver thick, luscious lashes with a rich, creamy formula. Key features: the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara features a triple black pigment formula that enhances the depth of the color for a more dramatic look. Its brush is designed to deposit a generous amount of product and separate lashes for a full, voluminous effect. Benefits and usage: ideal for those who want a high-impact, volumizing mascara. The Perversion Mascara provides both length and thickness. It is buildable, allowing for customization based on your desired look. The formula also conditions and nourishes the lashes. Usability: the mascara is easy to apply, with a brush that ensures full coverage and separation of each lash. The creamy texture prevents clumping and delivers a smooth application. Durability: Urban Decay Perversion Mascara is known for its staying power. It resists smudging and flaking, making it a great choice for long days. To remove, a gentle makeup remover is recommended to avoid any tugging on the delicate eye area. Thanks for watching our review of the best mascaras for volume. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect mascara to achieve those full, dramatic lashes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and reviews. Which mascara are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time for more product reviews and beauty insights.